Good morning. And so for our new writing project this week, we are going to be creating a monster. So that's why I read that monster book to you. We've already read it once, but I thought it would be fun to listen to it again. But we are going to turn and go to persuasive writing instead of like expository star writing. And so this whole project is going to be you persuading someone to buy your monster. So over the next week and a half, we're going to be watching how advertisement works. We're going to do some lessons over what kinds of things do I put in persuasive writing to persuade people. What kind of words do I use, facts and opinions and those kinds of things. But today, all you're going to do is you're going to start just plan out a monster. So you're just going to pick a monster, and you're on that planning page. You're just going to create your monster. And then as we start getting into like our advertisement portion of this project and our writing part of this project, we'll do lessons along the way to make sure we're prepared for that part of it. But all you're going to do today is you're going to plan your monster. And so in the end, you are going to be reading your monster to us. You're going to show us all of your advertisement and all the things that go along with it. And you're going to hope that the people that come in to be my monster buyers buy your monster based off how you persuaded them. So think about the perfect monster. If you could create a monster, what would it look like? So think of every single detail, and then think about special features that it might have. So think about the book and some of the special features that they have. And it doesn't have to be a monster that lives under the bed. It can be a monster that helps with anything. So keep that in mind as you're planning your monster, and just have fun creating your monster today.